Hello friends, we are learning grade 9 mathematics of CBSE 7 chapter triangles exercise 7.1. We have already solved the exercise 7.1 question number 1. I have also explained the SAS rule and ASA rule. What is this? So we are solving the question number 2. Link for the previous example is in the description first. Please go and check it. Let's solve the question number 2. Here the diagram is given. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equals to BC. Here AD is equals to BC. It is marked already there. Yes. And angle DAB is equals to angle DAB. So this angle is same as angle the BA CBA. CBA. These two angles are equal. So and we need to prove that angle ABD and angle BAC. This is the angle ABD and angle BAC. So angle BAC and this is the another angle. Yes. So though it is looking, the example is looking like maybe very lengthy but very easy. We need to show that it is the congruous. These two triangles are congruent to each other. Let's start with the given thing. Always start with the given thing whatever given in the example. So it is in a quadrilateral ABCD. It is in the quadrilateral ABCD. What is we have given that AD is equals to BC and DAB is equal to CBA. Now what we want to prove that, after prove that or after show that whatever the statement is given there, you are supposed to write down as the to prove that. So it is clear to you what do you want to find out and what do we have in the given thing. So if it is clear whatever in the given thing and what you want to prove, so it will be clear that what to use. Now proof in the, we need to show that these two triangles are congruent to each other. So in the ABD and the ABC, whatever the given thing, AD is equal to BC. These sides are equal, yes, and these angles are equal. Now we can see this AB is the common side. So AB is equal to AB. This is the common side. Now we can see that this is the congruent two triangles, side, angle, side, angle and the side, and therefore a triangle ABD, this triangle and triangle ABC are congruent due to the side, angle, side. So it is the SAS congruence rule. So if once you have shown that is the two triangles are congruent to each other. Now as we have seen that if the two triangles are congruent, the corresponding sides are also, parts are also congruent to each other. So from part 1, ABD is congruent to BAC. That is what we have learned, what we have proved. ABD is congruent to BAC. What we want to show that BD is equals to AC. Here is the BD, this side, opposite side. I'll just draw the another triangle so that it will be much clearer. Yes. So it is given that this side is equal. This is the common side, and we want to show that this side is equal to this side. Okay, in the figure. So we want to show this side is equal to this side. Now, as we already shown that this triangle is congruent to this triangle, yes, and therefore by using the CPCD, this is the side angle opposite to the same angle. तो यहाँ पे by using the CPCD, if the two triangles are congruent, उसका corresponding parts भी क्या होगा, equal ही होगा, yes. So therefore triangle ABD is congruent to BAC, therefore BD is equal to AC. We can directly write BD is equal to AC by using the CPCD. That is the long form of the CPCD is what? Corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. So we are done with this also. Now we want to show that ABD, this small part we are talking about, this small part is equal to BAC. Now we want to show that this is the small angles are equal. Again already we have shown that. So यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी हमने ये शो कर दिया है कि ये वाला एंगल, ये ट्रायंगल और ये ट्रायंगल कैसे है, कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. So definitely उनका corresponding angle भी क्या होगा, that is ABD is same as the BAC. Again the reason is what? By CPCT. Got it everyone? Got it? Yes. So if you like it, please and understood with this, please share with your friends and subscribe the channel. If you want anything more in the mathematics, related to mathematics, please comment me and ask me the questions also. I'll definitely reply for the same. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. Thank you. Bye.